Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 33. Okay, so we are going to complete this exercise 33 in Fusion 360. So let's start. First of all, activate the sketch tool, then select the plane. Next thing is draw these circles. These circles are of dia 44 and R35 means dia 70. So draw two circles 44 and then 70. Okay, we are using shortcut C for the circle and D for dimensioning. Okay, so here it is 65 from center from here, so we are assuming this origin as a center, so its value will be 65. Okay, we are aligning it horizontally to this origin, so it is fully constant. Similarly, we will draw this side too also. 44, 70, make it horizontally aligned to this and then dimension it, which is 65. Okay, now again 44 and 70, align it to here and specify vertical distance, which is 112.5. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to draw a lines which is parallel and 30 mm apart from each other, and it is 15 from this center line upside and downside. So same thing will happen this side also and this side also. So to do this, simply we will activate line tool, then draw three lines center to centers, then use offset tool, select this and offset it 15 on both sides. Okay, so this is offside outside and this is inward offset. Okay, now we don't require this, so we are going to delete this center to center lines and we will trim unwanted lines. So the shortcut for trim is T. So trim this one, trim this one. So here we have our 2D closed profile. Then we will exit from sketch tool, and now what we have to do next is use the extrude tool, which has shortcut E. Select the closed profile and then specify the height, which is 20 mm. 20 mm, enter. Okay, so this way you can create similar model in Fusion 360 using these dimensions. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.